Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display dynamically page title on Elementor form in Popup on page load in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form on Popup and then you see toward package. So this is our page name. So when we load this form or open Popup, then paste name or title display auto on this field. Now go to Popup form. So we are in Popup and this is our Elementor form. So click on it and then you see toward package. So click on it. Now expand and then you see advanced. So click on it. Now you see field ID page underscore name 1. So you can add field ID according to requirement page underscore name 1. So we are going to use field ID in custom code and we are going to fetch page title on form load on Popup. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see Elementor /popup /show and then you see page underscore name 1. So this is our field ID. Now go to form. Now you see page underscore name 1. So you can add your field ID in custom code. And then we are going to fetch page title and then scroll down. You see inside method auto insert location side by data. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page and refresh the page. So this is our page title name. Now you see book now. So click on it. Now Popup open and then you see toward package page title fetch auto. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.